Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show how to add a shader and calibrate it properly so level control works accurately. We start by opening the Partner app. We go to Outputs and add a new shader. We name it Shader, choose the dashboard, and then set the outputs. In this example, we use output 5 for one direction and output 6 for the other. The default timeout is 1 minute. We will change that later, but for now, we leave it as it is, save the setup, and move to the User app. The shader now appears on the dashboard. First, we press up and let it go all the way to the top. We need to wait until the animation finishes and the timer runs out. Once that happens, we know the shader is fully open. Now we need to measure very precisely how long it takes to travel downward. We use a stopwatch for this. We start the timer and send the shader down. Then we wait until it reaches the bottom position completely. In this example, the measured time is 50 seconds. Now we open the shader settings, go to the Edit section and first set the release time to 50 seconds. Then we need to account for the collapse time, which is the time needed for the slats to rotate. That means we must subtract this value from the measured time. In our case, the collapse time is 3 seconds, so we set the final value to 47 seconds. After that, we reset the stopwatch and measure the upward movement as well. We send the shader fully up and time the movement again. This time the measured value is 51 seconds. This is normal. Moving upward often takes longer because the motor is lifting weight instead of lowering it. So we open the settings again, go to Edit, set the measured value to 51 seconds, then subtract the same 3 seconds of collapse time. That gives us 48 seconds. We save the settings, confirm, and from this point on the shader is fully calibrated. The easiest way to test the calibration is to open it fully, then use level control and set it to around half. As you can see, it stops exactly halfway. At this point, we can also fine-tune the collapse time to adjust how open or closed we want the slats to be. And that's how simple shader calibration can be when it's done properly. And that's it. See you in the next video.